Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the unboxing video of the new iPhone 13 Pro and see what is inside this box. So here it is this year. I'm getting the iPhone 13 Pro gold color. So at the back here there is a tab that you can put across, and at the bottom there is also a tab that we can pull across. Okay, so let's just take out the top cover, and the phone is facing down in the box right here, and there is a tab that you can hold into that and lift up the phone, and that's it. So that is the phone right here in gold color. So you got the outside, the bevel on the outside is glossy gold, and under the phone is a charging cable. So there is a USB-C at the end here. This is the USB-C, and there is a lightning connector and USB-C connector on the other end. And here is a booklet. Inside this booklet is a pin. So there is a small pin that allows you to eject the SIM tray. There is no earphone in this release, and no charger, so no headphones and no charger, only a charge cable. And the phone is also covered with this piece of paper, so no more glossy film, just a piece of paper, and you can lift to peel it open. And on the device itself there is no screen protector, so there is no screen protector at all on your new iPhone 13 or the 13 Pro. And so that is everything inside the box, guys, for your iPhone 13 Pro. Now the iPhone 13 looks very similar to the iPhone 12 Pro, but there are three big improvements on the device, and that is the new incredible camera system upgrade. You also get an excellent battery life for the iPhone 13 Pro, as well as a better high refresh rate for the display itself right here. Also on the iPhone 13 Pro, you can see at the top here there will be a smaller notch right here. It goes from here to here, whereas the iPhone 12, the notch is a lot bigger. Now the bad thing about this iPhone 13 Pro is that it did not upgrade the connector, so you're still using the old lightning connector all the way back to your iPhone 5. It's still the same connector, and there is no upgrade to USB-C. And the phone comes with a new A15 Bionic chips, allowing your phone to perform a lot faster than the previous model. If you are choosing an iPhone 13 Pro, you can also get a storage size up to 1 TB, which is quite massive. If you need to, and they're quite useful if you need to take a lot of high resolution videos. You can, as you know, taking a lot of videos can take up the storage space quite quickly. So with 1 TB, you have no issues with worrying about running out of space. There is plenty of space for you to store the data, and there is no need to upload your photos to the cloud, because the phone has plenty of storage space for 1 TB, but it only comes with a high-end model. So if you are getting just an iPhone 13, the max you can get is 512 gigabytes. So with the iPhone 13 Pro, you can get up to 1 TB of storage space. Now, if you are thinking about whether you should get the iPhone 13 Pro or the Pro Max, they are basically both has the same configurations, except the Max version has a larger display size and a larger battery size. Both have excellent display refresh rate at 120 Hz. So unless you want to go for a larger screen size or for a larger battery, there is no real difference between the two devices. They all basically have the same hardware configuration. As for the price, they both have the same price the same as the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and the Pro Max from last year. So the price is pretty much the same. And with the colors, there are 4 colors to choose from this year. One additional Sierra blue color. So you get Sierra blue, gold, silver, and graphite to choose from, 4 different colors. So yeah, so that is what's in the box for the iPhone 13 Pro. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.